Hello again, this is Jeff Roper with Turtle Coat Architectural Coatings. We'll be showing you the steps we take in the Turtle Coat ceramic coating system to prepare the house and get it ready for the coating, as well as the application of the primer and our ceramic finish coat. This is the current project that we're working on. The first step we do is wash all the surfaces that are to be coated: dirt, mold, mildew, etc. We caulk all the joints of wood. We caulk all the joints with an elastomeric flexible caulk. We also do wood repairs on any of the areas that water has gotten to. I'll show you one point here that is a fairly common thing. Yeah, this is where the siding runs back to the shingles. This is Louisiana Pacific siding, and the ends of the boards have disintegrated. And rather than replace all the good wood, we band that. You see the board running along the shingles there. This gives a buffer between the siding and the water running down the shingles. And we back prime the board and then put it into place with a space between the shingles and the replaced wood. Now, this house also had a lot of trim that, in addition to the siding, that needed to be fixed. This is a cased opening on the front door. The boards on the side light have been replaced. The mall strip between the two windows here also had rot. We pulled that off and replaced that. Get it ready for coating. The two boards here close to each other on the garage door frame were rotted at the bottom from water wicking in. Here we've sealed it along the bottom edge and replaced it up to the first joint rather than put in little short pieces. This gets the house back to its original state when the house was built. And here's the siding on the chimney. And a little short side there is all new siding. It had swelled up for water running off, getting in the siding and causing it to swell. We replaced that with cement fiberboard, which closely matches the wood grain of the existing Louisiana Pacific siding. Once the house has been completely prepared, all rotten wood removed, all joints caulked, windows protected, etc., we apply our unique adhesive primer sealer. This is a waterproof membrane that's sprayed on as a liquid and then dries. It remains flexible, bridges cracks. This is very important on the bottom edge of Louisiana Pacific as well as other manufactured sidings. We tint it with a little bit of a green, as you see here, so the guys can see that every part of every surface is sealed. Here the crew is applying the adhesive primer. As you see, it goes on with a bit of a tint and completely seals all surfaces. This waterproofs the siding. Our top coat encapsulates everything. This is basically a clear coating that does not allow water to penetrate. It also is as you can see here, the adhesive primer is on, and it's sticky to the touch. You can feel of it. It's thin enough to soak into anything that would absorb water, locks in tight when it dries, and creates a waterproof membrane over all the existing siding, and remains flexible. The primer and the finish coat expand and contract with the house. And part of the 25-year warranty is against cracking, peeling, flaking, chalking, and even carpenter beads. Here they're starting the finish coat over the primer. You see both the finish coat will not mold or mildew, is fade resistant, and it reflects over 90% of the sun's rays. This is the north side of the house. The garage doors are on the south side of the house. where it really gets baked by the sun. After the system is completed, that will no longer be an issue. Be careful to spray up at the bottom edges of all the siding to seal that from any water penetration. And also the face of it. The thickness of turtle coat is about 12 mils thick. Paint is about as thick as a page out of a telephone book, while turtle coat is as thick as the cover of a telephone book and does remain flexible for years to come. And this has been tested by BASF Laboratories. Go to our website, turtlecoat.com, and look at our testing and compare it to any other product on the market, and it is superior. Here's a door you can see that the preparation has been done on. A little closer look, you can see that all the loose paint has been scraped and then sanded. We tape up hardware. We have a protective coating on the glass. After the coating is done, we simply cut around the glass and peel the coating off. Tape up any connectors for satellite dishes and so forth. And even in the primer stage, you can see that all the little cracks along the bottom of this Louisiana Pacific siding are completely sealed. I'll give a closer look here. And that's what we want. When the finish coat goes on, the ceramic coat, which has the color in it, it'll finish out the encapsulation of this house. As you can see here, this is the back side of the chimney from the backyard, and at the bottom you'll see the same banding that we did on the front gable of the house. It's raised up 3/4 of an inch to an inch off the shingles, and it gives us a good edge to caulk the siding to, where water will never penetrate the siding again. Here, after scraping on this stucco wall, removing ivy, and searching for loose paint, as we found some here, once this adhesive goes on, it penetrates the surface and locks in tight, leaving a sticky surface for the ceramic coat to bond to, and that gives us a permanent bond. Common problems are the bottom edges of siding. This we've replaced with cement fiberboard, and you can see where the color changes. That is the Louisiana Pacific siding that was still in good shape, and that will be permanently preserved. So better than the original. This is some more siding replacement. You could go to turtlecoat.com, see other projects that we've done, not just before and afters, but also the during process. It shows the preparation we do on old houses with lead paint, stucco houses, cedar houses, log houses. You'd be pretty impressed. The preparation is crucial for anything working correctly. And then with the ceramic coating system that we use, it's a permanent solution to any repainting issues that you may have experienced before.